Thank you.
Hey, why are you guys tripping on me?
Hey, just listen to him.
Put your hands behind your back. There you go. Stay like that.
Why are you guys tripping like that? I can't
Follow
come
our
out of the
instructions.
Listen to him.
I can't come out of the
Put your hands behind your back.
Hey, with the light is on my fucking face, man.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Do not move. Just like that. Do not move. Don't move.
Why are you guys?
Yeah, put your hands behind your back for me. Just like that, baby.
Hey, can you guys get on him and
Yeah, we'll get her.
One at a time, guys. One at a time. What's your name, dog?
My name is Israel, boy. How you doing? Man, a little scared. What the fuck?
We'll explain everything to you, man.
I know you're gonna explain everything.
Relax, all right?
What's up? Hold to your side. Bend your knees. Ready?
See this one right here?
You got that going?
No weapons or anything on you?
Nah, not right there. Alright, yeah, for sure. Y'all can run me down and everything.
All right, come over here. All right, go ahead and stand up for me. Yeah, maybe it's easy.
Roll over first, yeah. Roll over.
Stand up there. And then you kind of
Wait, can you get the other one?
Yeah, hold on one second.
I'm a bit heavy.
All right, any weapons? Okay, we're just gonna go to my car right here, okay?
Follow me. Is it this car right here?
On the other side of my car.
Oh.
Can I put on my shirts?
Yeah, if you can.
Alright. You're gonna come with me to my car. So let's go.
Oh, he said you heard him when he said it.
Oh, let's go.
About asking me.
Yeah. This way. Walk across the street.
Not even he said he was gonna ask me. What's it? Why are you the only mean one right here?
I'm not mean.
Bro, you're the
I'm not
only
mean.
dick right
No,
here.
we can
Honestly,
talk more once we get into the car, okay? I got your.
Sorry for calling that, but
I got your not your duffel bag, with the drawstring bag. I got all of that. Your makeup. So.
not really.
I'm
You're doing your
nice
job.
to
I
you.
understand. You're doing your job.
Step.
But why would you hate it like that? I just want.
Go. Step inside.
Wait.
Go.
I'm gonna unplug.
Put your feet inside. Perfect. Just a little bit more. So I don't want to pinch your skin. All right. Why are you asking that? What do you mean? I'm cool to you.
Not bad. What is it gonna hurt me if I were to speak to you about it? You know what I mean? Like, that's what I used to say. I don't know. If I were in your shoes, I'd
Head south on Denver Street.
if you're
Right on Claremont Drive.
Climb a good friend and come back to a different way.
I'm not too sure. I'll tell you later. Me? Once in a while. Whatever. Hold on, it's a turn. That's good. It's very loud. I can't hear you. Well, I can't because of all the wind. It's all good. Yeah, no worries. Yeah, I remember. Of course. Well, you're not. What's the name? Just wait. Oh no, so everything has to be yeah. It's not lost or anything, you just have to go pick it up after. Yeah. I already told you. Wait, hold on. I'll tell you after, hold on. A little bit. Well, I can't hear you now. Don't say that right now. No, I said don't say that right now because everything's being recorded right now. What's going on? Alright, sir, step out of the vehicle for me. 114 yellow. What code for? Everything just went wrong. Okay, hold on. Let me turn my camera off. She's code 4? She's code 4. Okay. Then, yeah, let me turn this off real quick.
Can I have you step behind the same surgeon? Do you have anything on you might post and harming? Any personal or anything? Just say so.
You're right, not so much. Not so much.
Later. Oh.
Do you have any gloves?
That's good.
It's hard to. Anyways, how I can switch to recover. You want to check shoes or you want to do that there? Would you case rubber shoes levels?
I can do the switch later.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do the switch later.
I know you can't talk.
Okay, it's 15:43 hours at Northern Division. Okay, you mind just showing us?
How you do it? So I was like this, and then you want me to see how she was laying down, or?
How you ended up inside?
So like, yeah, so she was laying down, her face was over there, and then I was just like kind of right here. I was like, hey, well, at first I was like, hey, wake up. I was like, hey, you okay? Blah blah blah. She did like, so her head was facing towards that way, and then so this is when I was shaking her, and then this is when I went in. But then I don't know if I had my hand like this, and then something like that happened, and I kicked it with my foot like that, and then I was in, and then I was waking her up like this. I was like this, waking her up. While I was waking her up, I hear the door click behind me.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, so yeah, I was like this. And then, when I found out the door was clicked behind me, I positioned myself like this. And I already knew that there was no door handle, but I was just like frantic. I was like, I can't get out of here.
Okay.
And then that's when she was able to sit up here. And then I told her, you can stay there, blah blah blah. And then I was just like hunkered down like this on my
Okay.
side.
So let me go to the other side, then you climb back in.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Again?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Open the door, and then as I came in like that, I was trying to wake her up. My feet wasn't this. My feet didn't get caught like that. And then when I was like waking her up, that's when I noticed that this door closed on me, and then that's when I was like frantic trying to open the door, but I know there's no door opener. And then from then she was able to. So I was like this majority of the time. I was trying to get her up because her face was right here.
Okay.
Right here, and then I was trying to like wake her up to get her up, and then next thing you know, I hear the door close on me. I was frantic. I was looking, and then that's when she started to kind of like, I guess, wake up or get dazed off, whatever. And then that's when I asked her like, hey, are you having a hard time breathing? She said no. Do you need medics? No. I was like, okay, all right, just stay right there. And then that's when I was trying to open the door.
Okay.
And then that's when I went on D2.
All right, you can jump up. Let's jump up.
Do you mind?
Now end the video.